Hello there, welcome to this course. In this course, I teach you all the core concept of C++ programming language. This course is designed for absolute beginners. If you are new in programming, you are at the right place. And I try to keep things as simple as possible. If you are new in programming, you should know that programming is different than programming language. Programming language is the tool for programming. In this course, I also teach you all the core concept of programming and all the core concept of programming language. In this case, C++. The content of this course will be installing tools for compiling C++ codes, writing your first C++ program, learning how to compile and execute C++ programs, variables, naming conventions, inputs and outputs, data types, casting or type conversions, blocks and scopes, strings, string methods, escape sequences, operators, order of operations or operator precedence, conditionals or if-else statements, switch statements, and then a project for practicing conditionals. We will create basic calculator. Then we will learn about loops, while loop, for loop, break and continue, arrays and array methods, structures, references, pointers, functions, and then another project for practicing functions. We will build a program for converting currencies. After that, object-oriented programming, classes and objects, just basics for beginners. And finally, we will bring all of them under one project. We will build a product manager application.